remark on Rahul Gandhi's future. He says that Rahul Gandhi's political fortunes are directly linked to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, claiming that Rahul can rise only if Narendra Modi becomes unpopular. Otherwise, Mr. Ahmed has added he sees no bright political future as far as the political career of Rahul Gandhi is concerned. Let's listen in to that criticism as well. Well, let me go across to Niyamika. Niyamika, how is the Congress party responding to all of this? A series of very controversial remarks made by Shakeel Ahmed. One about Rahul Gandhi's political future. The other, of course, about his claim that there is chatter within the Congress to attack his residences in Madhubani as well as Patna, and some WhatsApp conversations to that effect. How is the rest of the Congress party now responding to all these very serious claims being made by Shakeel Ahmed?
Well, if we talk about the reactions within the Congress party, then a group of leaders have criticized this particular statement of Mr. Shakeel Ahmed Khan, in which he has not just called Mr. Rahul Gandhi a darpoke leader, but also the way in which he has also criticized his political career by stating that he can have a good career in politics only when Narendra Modi gets unpopular amongst the people. For that reason, we have seen that how the Congress party's leaders have now started calling him Jai Chand, because the Congress leaders are giving out this argument that it was Mr. Shakeel Ahmed Khan who has given very key positions within the organization. He was being appointed as the PCC president. He was the state in charge for Punjab and other important states as well. He was also being chosen for the post of the MOS home at that point in time when the Congress party was having a government at center. So all of these important positions were being given to Mr. Shakeel Ahmed Khan, but still he is very much unsatisfied, and that is the only reason why various Congress leaders are coming out in open and they are basically attacking Mr. Shakeel Ahmed Khan, stating that it is in the history of the Congress party to get stabbed at the back only from those people who have got everything from the party leadership, and that is the only reason why, in fact, we have seen that how many of the Congress leaders have also made sharp attack upon Mr. Shakeel Ahmed Khan, including the former Chief Minister of Uttarakhand Harish Rawat. He has also given a statement saying कि जब आलू सड़ जाता है तो उसको निकाल कर फेंक देना चाहिए. So that was the kind of statement which was being given by Mr. Harish Rawat. Not just that, but the AICC in charge, Mr. Ajay Kumar Lallu, has also given a similar kind of statement saying that this shows that how much insecure he is right now, and he is also mentally unfit, and that is the only reason why such kind of statements he is making against Rahul Gandhi. So these are the kind of counter attacks which are coming in from the Congress party side.
Basically comparing Shakeel Ahmed to a rotten potato. Those are his words, not ours. But let's in fact listen into some other political reactions from within the Congress critical of Shakeel Ahmed. Let's listen in.
शकील जी को कांग्रेस पार्टी ने गृह विभाग में राज्य मंत्री बनाया, संचार मंत्री बनाया, बिहार प्रदेश का अध्यक्ष बनाया, महासचिव पंजाब, हरियाणा, दिल्ली जैसे बड़े बड़े राज्यों का बनाया. जितना उन्हें मिलना चाहिए था उससे ज्यादा मिला, पर वो क्यों चिरसंतुष्ट है मुझे नहीं मालूम. जहां तक राहुल गांधी के बारे में मैं कह सकता हूं कि आज भारत की राजनीति में कोई मोदी के अधिनायकवाद से, तानाशाही से, संविधान की हत्या के प्रयासों से लड़ रहा है तो सबसे मजबूत आवाज राहुल गांधी की.
देखिए, ये कांग्रेस का अंदरूनी मामला है. उनके लीडरशिप में के बीच में जो भी विवाद हैं उसको कांग्रेस सुलझा लेगी. जो बयानबाजी हैं, जो आरोप का दौर है, वो आरोप का दौर कांग्रेस नेतृत्व को देखना चाहिए. हालांकि वो उनका अंदरूनी मामला है और समाजवादी पार्टी को उस पर कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करनी.
Now the Bharatiya Janata Party has also responded to the claims that have been made by Shakeel Ahmed. A damning accusation against the Congress High Command comes days after Shakeel Ahmed had publicly called out Rahul Gandhi. The BJP is, of course, latched on to these comments. Let's listen to what they've had to say.
ये दिखाता है कि कांग्रेस की मानसिकता इमरजेंसी वाली है. शकील अहमद जी ने क्या कहा कि राहुल गांधी इनसिक्योर डरपोक नेता है, वो मजबूत कांग्रेसी नहीं चाहते और वो किस प्रकार से सीनियर कांग्रेस लीडर्स का अपमान करते हैं। अभी शकील अहमद को धमकी देना, उनके खिलाफ ये षड्यंत्र रचना, कांग्रेस पार्टी ने इसी प्रकार से हर वो व्यक्ति जो राष्ट्र को और पार्टी को प्रथम रखता है उसको इसी प्रकार से प्रताड़ित किया है।
So this war of words does not appear to die down. We'll of course keep monitoring all the developments. We'll slip into a short break. We'll come back with more on the other side.